Hello viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. Today we will discuss about thyroid problem in kids. It is very important to recognize thyroid problem in kids at early stage and treat, because their physical growth and mental growth is dependent on their thyroid function. So let's see what are the common presentation they can come with. Some babies can have thyroid problem at birth. They look different. They look bigger and the tongue is swollen, and then their umbilicus is bigger and skin looks very coarse. Usually the pediatrician identifies these things, and also there is a routine blood test done for all the babies at the 5 days age from their birth to identify thyroid problem. After that, it is mainly the parents who needs to observe for their symptoms. As I discussed, it is very important for their physical and mental growth. Usually the thyroid problem causes growth failure. So they won't grow as their peer group. And also it affects their concentration and ability to perform well in school. They usually look very tired and low in mood. They are not showing interest in participating physical games, and also their looks very withdrawn also. It can also affect their teeth development, and also the kids shows the delay in progression, like they don't sit or walk at this right time, and also the ability to perform well in the school is less. As the age advances during the teenage time, they can show depression symptoms, or the periods problem can happen, or even the occurrence of periods, puberty can be delayed. So these are the common symptoms to look for. Why thyroid problem happens in kids? Some of the kids, they are born with not having thyroid gland, or the function of the thyroid gland is not good. Most of the time it is a autoimmune problem where there are antibodies produced against their own thyroid gland, so which will not allow their body to produce thyroid hormone effectively. So it is very easy to identify thyroid problem. It's a simple blood test. Thyroid hormone level in the body can be checked. Sometimes we do antibody test to find out whether it is autoimmune related or not. By doing this test, we can find out whether they have thyroid problem, and the treatment is very simple. It's giving a thyroid hormone as a tablet form. So initially they need to have frequent blood test to find out the right dose for them. Once the dose is calculated, they have 6 monthly or yearly blood test. So compared to the other kids, they need to have one tablet in empty stomach and have blood test. Other than that, they can run a normal life and achieve their full potential and have a rewarding life. It's the duty of the parents to know about thyroid hormone deficiency and identify these symptoms, and also seek for medical help at the right time, because the treatment makes huge difference in child's life. Thank you for watching. Please share with your friends, subscribe and like. Thank you.